Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to our Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 S 鹏。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. A lot of times you're outside and you're in a hurry. You want to find a restroom, so you want to ask how to get to the restroom or where is the restroom. 所以我们今天呢就要来教大家用 Hakka 怎么讲。请问一下，这个厕所在哪里 ？Where is the restroom?
창문偏受 deny v.
창문偏受 deny v。OK， 偏受啊，就是厕所。那如果是万一我是在一个海陆腔的客家庄里面的话，会不会不一样啊？
창문偏受 deny v。
哦，差不多，那个音不太一样而已啊。창문
偏受 deny v.
deny v. Okay, then the answer could be.Oh, it's on the second floor, it's on the third floor, and then maybe the men's room and the ladies' room are separated. 有可能女厕跟男厕是不一样的地方。那我们就假设好了，女厕在2楼，男厕在3楼。Maybe the ladies' room is on the second floor and the men's room is on the third floor. How would you say that?
西摩的嘅。
哦，西摩就是女生嘛，对不对？OK， 西摩嘅偏受
第
2樓。OK，
西拉的嘅。
西拉的嘅哦，西拉就变成是男生哦，哦是我哈。西拉的嘅偏受又是厕所。
第3樓
哦，第3樓 ，OK， 6就是樓層就对了。Okay, so what Alice just said there is the ladies' room is on the second floor, the men's room is on the third floor. 但是呢，或许人家问也不知道说厕所在哪里，所以就说抱歉，我不知道在哪里，我不知道。
是里，我唔知。
挨唔啲失礼挨唔啲，那就赶快跑掉了，不要再问他了，浪费时间。好 ，Let's review these terms right now. The first line, where is the restroom?
창문偏受 deny v.
창문偏受 deny v. 那如果是海陆，
창문偏受 deny v.
창문偏受 deny v. Okay, and then the ladies' room is on the second floor. 女厕在2樓。
西摩嘅偏受第2樓，
西摩嘅偏受第2樓，
西拉嘅偏受第3樓。
That's men's room on the third floor. 西拉嘅偏受第3樓。And finally, if you don't know where the restroom is, you want to say, "Sorry, I don't know."
是里我唔知。
是里我唔知。So hurry up and get to that restroom and relieve yourself. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.